Standard 3 Mathematics Lesson 4 Multiplication Video 4. Children, today we will start with the word problem exercise 4Q. Now you have to turn your copy to write the word problem questions. So draw the margin, write the question and then draw the lines for your statement and working. Now let us start with the first question. A matchbox contains 50 sticks. How many sticks are there in 9 such matchboxes? Now in this question it has given that 50 sticks are there in one matchbox and you have to find how many sticks will be there in 9 matchboxes. So sticks we can count, so as it is countable we will start the statement with number of. So we will write number of sticks in a matchbox, it is 50. Number of sticks in 9 matchboxes, it will be 50 into 9. Now children, don't write here 50 and just here 9. That is the wrong way of writing. Here 9 matchbox means you have to write 50 into 9. Now arrange them below the place values, that is 50 into 9. Now you have to multiply it. So we will start from the ones place. So 9 zeros are 0. 9 fives are 45. So 5 we will write below tens place and 4 we will write below 100 place. Now what is the answer you got? 450 sticks. Now come to the second question. You have to write the question from the book. Now see what is the question given. In a minute there are 60 seconds. How many seconds are there in 8 minutes? Now you have to copy down the question first in your copy. So it has, in the question it is given that in 1 minute we are having 60 seconds. So we have to find out how many seconds are there in 8 minutes. So here the unit is already given seconds. So we will start the statement with seconds. Seconds in 1 minute, that is 60. Seconds in 8 minutes, it will be 60 into 8. Now you have to multiply. Again we will arrange them. Then we have to multiply from the ones place. 8 zeros are 0. 8 6 are 48. So 8 will be below tens place and 4 will be below 100 place. So how many seconds you got? 480 seconds. Now question number 3. There are 75 toffees in a box. How many toffees will be in 5 such boxes? So here it is given that in a box it contains 75 toffees. So we have to find out if you get 5 such boxes, how many toffees are there. So as toffees can be counted, we will start the statement with number of. So we will write the statement as number of toffees in a box, that is 75. Number of toffees in 5 boxes, it will be 75 into 5. Now you arrange it and then you have to multiply. So ones place, 5 fives are 25. So we will write here 5 and 2 will be carried below tens place. 5 sevens are 35 plus 2, it will come as your 37. So 7 will come below tens place and 3 will come below 100 place. So you have got the answer as 375 toffees. Now next, question number 4. The cost of one pencil box is rupees 35. Find the cost of 4 such pencil boxes. Now here the cost of one pencil box is given 35 and you have to find out for 4 pencil boxes. Now here the statement we have to start with cost because the price is given for the pencil box. So you have to start it with cost of one pencil box. It is given rupees 35. Cost of 4 pencil boxes, you have to multiply rupees 35 into 4. Now you arrange it, then 5 fours are 20, so you will write here 0 and 2 will be carried. Now 3 fours are 12 plus 2, it will be 14. So 4 below tens place and 1 below 100 place. So what is the cost of 4 pencil box? It is rupees 140. Children, don't forget to put the rupees sign, okay? Now next we will go to question number 5. There are 30 days in a month. How many days are there in 6 months? So in 1 month how many days are there? 30, and you have to find out for 6 months. So here days we can count. As days is countable, we will start the statement with number. So we will write number of days in 1 month, that is 30. Number of days in 6 months, that is your 30 into 8. Now you 30 into 6. So we will multiply 30 into 6 as it is given for 6 months. So it will be 6 zeros are 0, 6 threes are 18. So we will write here 8 and here 1. So how many days we got? 180 days. Next, question number 6. There are 84 pages in a notebook. How many pages are there in 4 such notebooks? In one notebook there are 84 pages. So we have to find out for 4 notebooks. So we will, as pages can be counted, we will start the statement with number of. So number of pages in one notebook, it is 84. Number of pages in 4 notebooks, so we'll write it as 84 into 4. Now we will multiply. 4 4s are, it is 16, so we'll write here 6 and 1 will be carried here. 8 4s are 32 plus 1, it is your 33. So the answer will be 336 pages. Children, write the word problems neatly in your copies. You have to first write the questions, then you have to draw the statement and working line, then you have to write the statement and working. Thank you.